The 2010 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there, and it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, power passenger seat, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.